So how's it going, everyone? Now this morning the markets opened with quite a bit of volatility, and I was able to catch a nice break and retest trade on Google to the upside. It was a great setup and probably my favorite setup that I look for each and every day. Now I could have had a better entry on it because I kind of had to chase it a little bit, and then it pulled back in on me and I got out for just a small win. And then I took a couple of trades on my Apex Trader funding account. I was trading the micro contracts on the NASDAQ, and unfortunately those trades did not go my way. I was up on the account the first or second day, and then I gave back some of the profits, and so I'm currently down, but I still have a lot more drawdown left before they would lock my account, and I would have to start over. So yeah, I'm going to try to have a better week trading futures next week, and I still have a chance to pass the challenge. And I got it all recorded live today so that you guys can see it, so enjoy the live trading. I might take Google long here. It just bounced off of, hang on a second. I really should have taken on the retest. I'm taking Google long here. Stop loss is just going to be like the 9 EMA, I think. There we go. Getting a nice move in my favor. The market looks like it wants to push higher too, so I'd like to see a really nice squeeze out of this. There we go. I'm going to take off one contract, like probably right here actually, and then I'm going to try to let this last one ride. The question is, where do we look to get out now? That's the question. I don't even know. So this is pre-market high, or actually no, it's prior day high. I want that to be used as my potential stop loss. Looks like a little flag pattern. Ooh, okay, so yeah, that was pulling in hard, so I got out, which is alright. The market's kind of rolling over too. I went long here. Pretty tight stop.
Order submitted.
Just seems like a good break and retest. By the way, I'm in my class if you hear that. And we might get stopped out here. It's okay, we only have 2 contracts. It's not a huge deal.
Order filled.
And we got stopped out. Unfortunate.
Order submitted.
Got an order placed here. So if this keeps going down below 12,000, we will get filled.
Order filled.
Okay, we're short. Now I'm going to place a buy.
Order
I'm going
submitted.
to place a buy right there to buy 2. Oh, is it really going to just wick right back up?
Order filled.
And stopped out for a loss again. So now to break down this trade. Now the first one was on Google, and this is a very clean break and retest on the 1 minute, as you can see. Now I'm going to zoom out to the 4-hour chart to show you why exactly I had the zone there. Now you can see a while back we had a few reactions at this price level, and then we kind of reacted there yesterday. So it was this key, so it was level 101, and now I'm going to zoom in to like the 1 minute time frame. So yeah, we actually got above this level yesterday, but then in the pre-market we were actually below it. Then you can see right when the market opened, Google squeezed above it, rejected prior day high, that's what this line is, and then it came down and started to bottom wick right off 101.2. And you know, you can see I got a late entry on this. I should have been in right here, like right when I saw this candle. I should have gotten in, but I waited until we got back above prior day high, and then this candle really started to speed up, and I thought for sure it was going to break high day. So I got in with 2 contracts right where this arrow is, and then pretty much immediately I got a move in my favor. Now I was anticipating to get a few more points out of this. I'm kind of disappointed I didn't. I should have been a little more patient, but yeah, I scaled out of 1 contract right here. And then my stop loss on the second one was going to be the prior day high line. And then it pulled in pretty hard, so I got out of the second contract right there. And that's why it ended up being such a small winner. Now, obviously, in hindsight, had I held on just a little bit longer, it would have been a much greater win because we got right back above prior day high. came back down, touched it again, and then it was off to the races from there. But still, I'm just glad it was a green trade. So now I'm going to head over to my Ninja Trader platform to show you the trades I took today. Now, it's kind of nice that this platform shows you right where you bought and sold. So yeah, this is the 2-minute micro NQ chart. And this was my first trade here. Now, the only mistake I made on this trade was that, well, it was actually a big mistake. I basically went long into supply. Now, I'm going to show you what I had marked out on my Thinkorswim charts. So yeah, this is where I ended up going long, and you can see we're basically rejecting supply, because if I zoom out to the 4-hour chart, yeah, you can see we had some reactions at this level, and yeah, today we rejected it really hard. So I should have waited for, here, let me zoom in again. I should have waited for something like this, break above, come back down, retest it, and then look to get long there. But yeah, instead, I took a long position simply because we came back down and retested high a day right here. That's the only reason I got long, and I just, for some reason, I wasn't really thinking that we're going to reject this supply, because yeah, I was thinking it was a break and retest of high a day right here. So I saw we were starting to bounce here, and I thought we were going to head back up, break high a day. My stop loss is right here. So yeah, that's all my fault for not respecting my levels. And if I head back over to the Ninja Trader platform, yeah, you can see exactly where I bought and then where I got stopped out. And you can see that would have been a great short. Not a very smart trade. That's okay. I kept the loss small, and I did not use too large of a position size. Yeah, I probably should have been done after that, because the market just kind of chopped around, and I wanted to find one more trade, and I thought this was a break and retest to the short side. So if I go to the 1-minute time frame, yeah, you can see later on in the day we came back down, had a big sell-off, broke low a day, then we came back up and started to retest it, and there was this key level 12,600, and yeah, we started to reject it. So once we got just above 12,600, I saw we were starting to reject these lows right here, so I placed a sell order just below 12,600. It was at 12,598. So I thought, if we can't hold above 12,600, we're probably going to continue lower and make a new low a day. So I got filled right here going short, and then of course it just immediately reclaims 12,600 and goes back up, and I get stopped out for another small loss. Yeah, I thought it was a decent setup. You can see on my Thinkorswim charts I had a zone here. I had 12,600 marked out, and I thought it was going to become resistance, but I was just wrong, and I took another small loss. So yeah, I was actually down 100. But my cash value is still 24,844. So yeah, I could still lose more than $1,000 before I fail the challenge. Now obviously this is fake money if you don't know. It's not even a real account. So yeah, hopefully I'll have a better week next week. Now I want to take a look at the Webull account. I've really only taken 2 trades this week on my Webull account. Now, I did miss out on some good setups on individual names because I was so focused on futures. So basically a break-even week, not even 1% gain today. But hey, I guess that's better than having a red week. So yeah, that's it for today. That's it for this week. I mean, this is probably a longer video, so thanks for sticking around. And yeah, if you have any trading advice for me, I would love to hear it, or any thoughts in general about my trading. Feel free to leave it in the comments below. I would love to hear it and reply to you. But yeah, I'm excited for next week. You know, I think we definitely had some better price action this week, and hopefully that continues in the next week. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.